This is walk number 2 in the afternoon. In the fall and then the beginning of the winter, everything kind of turns gray, from the rocks to the sky to my favorite agates. God has some work to do on that one. I found this one earlier and I thought, no, actually, I was wrong. That one's not good either. But this is what I do. I walk on the river and I look for agates and I look for otters. And I usually look out for these kind of bushes because sometimes they have beehives in them. Anyhow, what are we doing, Kilchis? What are we doing? Come here, young man. What are we doing? Shall I eat some grass too? Does that work for upset tummies? Huh? Better than Pensive AC? Just come out here and smack on some grass. I wonder if dogs know that. My arm hurts so bad, it's all swollen up again underneath it. That's how come I wonder whether I should have chemo, because no matter what someone does for me, the most simple medical procedure turns into hell. I talked to the doctor and it needs to be aspirated again. That's where they stick a large needle in my armpit and take fluid out. You know, they say, just a little pinch. Yeah, just a little. Wow, that was the biggest spider I have ever seen. It's a little pitey. Come on, somebody find me a good agate. I need a little piece of happiness. Something to excite me. See one in there, people on the movie? See any agates? Let me know. Wow. This is one of my favorite holes on the river. In the summertime, I row my little canoe out there and lay out in the sun on those rocks because they're all cushy, carpeted. But of course, we were robbed of a summer this year. I can't believe summer wasn't even over and I was already excited about next summer. And that's how I feel to this day. I wonder what it'll be like going to Maui in the winter. You know, November-ish anyway. I wonder how that will break it up. Will I just get spoiled and want to go back? When I come home to rain and chemotherapy? I don't know. Do I even want to go knowing that I'll have to come back to yuck? My hair is 8 inches long. When it gets 10 inches long, I can cut it off and give it to Locks of Love. So I think rather than wait for it to fall off, I'll chop it off and then shave it and start having fun with wigs. I could be blonde, I could be pink, I can do rock and roll things, and I can change it every day, depending on if I have enough money. But I think that some places let you. I don't know how it works, but I know there's help buying wigs. Bye-bye, River. Have a good night. And up my trail I go. That was a pretty blasé walk, if there is such a thing. We didn't find an agate. We didn't see any otters. I can't make it up the hill. Kilchis, man, wait for your mama. Ouch, my arm. Crud, it hurts. Hey, Dee Dee. Huh. The oops man is there. Oh, my dog. Where's my dog? I don't want my dog to get hit. Kilchis, come. Kilchis, come. Kilchis. Come. Kilchis. Come. You need to learn to mind. Good. Good boy. Now sit. Mommy doesn't want you to get smished by big brown wheels. Wonder what we got. Here's our surprise. Hey, Bill. Okay, see you guys later. Oops.